Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta with cheese. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite short pasta, like elbow macaroni or shells, and 2 cups of shredded cheese. We'll also use some milk, butter, and a touch of flour to create that wonderfully creamy sauce. This guide will help you create a comforting dish in no time. Now, let's get that pasta cooking perfectly. Start by boiling 4 quarts of water in a large pot, adding a generous pinch of salt. Once boiling, add your 8 ounces of pasta and cook it according to the package instructions until al dente. Remember to drain it well, but don't forget to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's a secret ingredient for a smooth sauce. Next, we'll create our rich, creamy cheese sauce. In the same pot, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 4 tablespoons of flour to form a roux, cooking for about 1 minute. Gradually pour in 2 cups of milk, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. Finally, stir in your 2 cups of shredded cheese until it's completely melted and wonderfully smooth. Almost there. Now, gently add your cooked pasta directly into the creamy cheese sauce. Stir everything together until every piece of pasta is beautifully coated. If your sauce seems a little too thick, just add a splash or 2 of that reserved pasta water to achieve your desired consistency. Serve your delicious homemade pasta with cheese immediately and savor every warm, comforting bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.